guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can video call on Discord. So you can like video call with your friends just like on the chat. You can also video call on like Discord servers. So if you want a video call on chat, just select up here and press start video call. So I just like selected a message right here and then select start video call, and they would have to like accept your call for them to video call with you, of course. But on your server you can also do that, or on other people's server too. So select a channel. And then here you are going to just enable camera by pressing turn on camera like so. And then you'll start video calling, I guess, with people. My one's loading a little bit, so I'm just going to disconnect it. But that's just basically how you can video call on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!